Imagine that the Earth collides with another planet. This event would plunge humanity into horror and chaos. First, there would be instantaneous destruction. The energy released from the impact would be equivalent to billions of atomic explosions. Global catastrophes would engulf the planet. Destructive seismic waves would shake the ground, causing powerful earthquakes that would destroy cities and infrastructure. Coastal regions would be literally swept away by tsunamis generated by the force of the collision. The temperature on the planet would rise sharply. The atmosphere and the surface of the Earth would heat up to several thousand degrees Celsius, leading to the evaporation of oceans. As a result, the climate begins to change before our eyes. Debris and dust would rise into the atmosphere, blocking sunlight. This would lead to a nuclear winter effect, causing temperatures to drop and ecosystems to begin collapsing. With the mass extinction of species, including humans, a new reality looms on the horizon. Food, water, and oxygen would become scarce. Most existing life forms would not be able to survive in these horrific conditions. Additionally, the collision could alter the Earth's orbit or tilt, impacting seasons and climate. Consequently, a new landscape would be formed as a result of the colossal impact, creating craters and new mountain ranges. In the end, a collision between the Earth and another planet would lead to a global catastrophe that would obliterate existing life and change the very structure of the planet. This event would mark the end of civilization as we know it. Imagine how it would all start with a single moment when the world as we know it would collapse, and the history of humanity would be rewritten forever.